Have you ever wondered just how vast the empire of men's formal wear and suiting really is? When you think of buying a suit, renting a tuxedo for a wedding, or even picking up some professional business casual attire, certain names probably come to mind: Men's Warehouse, Jose, Bank. But what if I told you these aren't just individual players, but part of a much larger, interconnected network? A network that stretches across North America, touching countless lives, helping people look and feel their best for life's most important moments. We're talking about Tailored Brands, the retail giant behind some of the most recognizable names in men's apparel. This company isn't just about selling suits. It's about providing a comprehensive, one-of-a-kind shopping experience, offering everything from bespoke tailoring to rental services. They've built a legacy on helping people dress for success, for celebration, and for every occasion in between. But how big is this operation, really? How many physical locations does Tailored Brands actually operate, allowing them to serve such a broad and diverse customer base? That's the question we're diving into today. We're going to explore the impressive footprint of Tailored Brands, uncover the numbers behind their retail presence, and understand what that means for their strategy and impact on the market. Before we get to the exact store count, let's set the stage. Tailored Brands isn't just a single store concept. It's a house of brands, each with its own distinct identity and target audience. This diversified portfolio is a key part of their strength and reach. We're talking about, first, there's Men's Warehouse. This is likely the most familiar name to many of you. Known for its wide selection, competitive pricing, and often quoted slogan, Men's Warehouse has been a staple for suit purchases and tuxedo rentals for decades. They cater to a broad customer base, from those seeking their first professional suit to individuals needing formal wear for special events. Their stores often offer on-site tailoring, making it a true one-stop shop. Then we have Jose, Bank. This brand often conjures images of classic, quality menswear, frequently associated with buy one, get multiple free promotions. Jose Bank aims for a slightly more traditional and perhaps slightly older demographic, focusing on timeless styles and enduring value. While their sales approach might differ from Men's Warehouse, they ultimately share the same parent company and a commitment to dressing men well. Across the border in Canada, Tailored Brands operates Moore's Clothing for Men. This is essentially the Canadian equivalent of Men's Warehouse, providing similar services and product offerings to our neighbors to the north. It extends the company's reach and market penetration significantly beyond the U.S. And let's not forget K&G Fashion Superstore. This brand operates on a different model, offering a value-oriented superstore approach for men, women, and even children. K&G focuses on providing quality, current season fashion at incredibly competitive price points, making stylish attire accessible to an even wider audience. Finally, while not directly retail stores in the same vein, Tailored Brands also includes corporate apparel and workwear groups like Twin Hill in the United States and Dimensions, Alexandra, and Yaffe in the United Kingdom. These divisions serve businesses and organizations, providing uniforms and professional attire, further diversifying Tailored Brands' revenue streams and market presence. So, when we ask about the number of stores Tailored Brands has, we're really asking about the combined strength of these distinct yet interconnected retail banners. This multi-brand strategy allows them to cater to different segments of the market, offering a tailored, pun intended, approach to each customer's needs and budget. Now let's get to the numbers. The landscape of retail is constantly shifting, and store counts can fluctuate due to openings, closures, and strategic adjustments. However, based on the latest available information, Tailored Brands operates more than 1,000 stores across all of its brands. To break that down a little further, as of October 2024, their internal reporting showed a significant presence for each of their main banners. Men's Warehouse leads the pack with approximately 636 stores nationwide. These stores are strategically located in regional strip malls and specialty retail shopping centers, offering a convenient and accessible experience for their broad customer base. Jose Bank contributes around 188 stores nationwide. These are typically found in similar retail environments, maintaining their classic appeal and focus on quality menswear. K&G Fashion Superstore has roughly 81 stores, with a particular strength in the Southeast region. Their superstore model often requires larger footprints, allowing for a vast selection of value-priced apparel for the entire family. And for their Canadian presence, Moore's Clothing for Men operates approximately 108 stores throughout Canada, solidifying their position as a leading specialty retailer of men's apparel in that market. When you add those figures up, you clearly see how Tailored Brands surpasses the 1,000 store mark, creating a truly extensive retail footprint across North America. This vast network isn't just about sheer numbers. It's about accessibility, convenience, and reaching a diverse clientele. The sheer scale of Tailored Brands' operations allows them to leverage economies of scale in sourcing, distribution, and marketing. Their network of stores provides a crucial touchpoint for customers, enabling personalized service, expert fitting, and the immediate gratification of walking out with a new suit or tuxedo. In an increasingly digital world, the physical store presence remains vital for the type of product Tailored Brands offers, where fit and feel are paramount. It's important to note that the retail environment is dynamic. In recent years, particularly during and after the global pandemic, many retailers, including Tailored Brands, have had to make strategic adjustments to their store portfolios. For example, in 2020, Tailored Brands announced plans to close a significant number of stores as part of their restructuring efforts. However, they've also been strategic about opening new, optimized locations and distribution centers to enhance their supply chain efficiency and customer experience. This ongoing optimization means the exact number can shift, but the overall picture remains one of a substantial and widespread retail presence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.